In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Hostinger account. If you're having trouble signing in, don't worry. Recovering access to your account is usually a simple process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to do. Just make sure you have access to the email address connected to your account, since that's typically needed during the recovery process. To begin, open the Hostinger website in your web browser. It's always a good idea to double-check that you're on the official site before entering any account information. This helps protect your account and ensures you're following the correct recovery steps. Once you're on the home page, look for the login option and click it. This will take you to the sign-in page where you would normally enter your account details. Since the goal here is to recover access, you won't need to try multiple passwords if you already know you can't get in. On the login page, find the option that says you can't access your account. Click that, and then choose the account recovery option. This will direct you to the official recovery flow designed to help you regain access safely. Next, enter the email address associated with your Hostinger account. Be careful to type it correctly, because the recovery instructions will be linked to that email. After entering it, click the option to start account recovery. From there, simply follow the prompts shown on your screen. Hostinger may ask you to verify your identity or confirm certain details to make sure the account belongs to you. This is a normal part of the process and helps keep your account secure. Read each instruction carefully and complete each step as requested. If you don't see a recovery email right away, check your spam or junk folder as well. Sometimes automated messages can end up there. It can also help to wait a few minutes before trying again. If needed, repeat the process carefully and make sure the email address was entered correctly. As you go through recovery, avoid sharing any codes or verification links with anyone else. Those details are meant only for you and are important for protecting your account. And that's it. By going to the Hostinger website, clicking Login, selecting the option for not being able to access your account, choosing Account Recovery, entering your account email, and following the on-screen prompts, you should be on your way to restoring access. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped.